I made it to Guanajuato. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to be here. This is my first time officially solo traveling in another country. I went to the market earlier, and everything you see here, all the mushrooms, fruits, vegetables, everything cost the equivalent of like $11. The 2 dragon fruits that I got alone would be $10 in the United States. Overwhelming. So yeah, now I'm gonna live my best life and cook dinner. Cochinita pibil vegetables with rice is what I'm gonna make. The vegetables sauteing and rice cooking with little bits of red onion in it. Here are the vegetables all cooked down and with the achiote paste added. And I also added some Valentina to give it some spice because I wasn't sure what to expect from the achiote paste and it wasn't actually that spicy. It's really good. I'm so happy I made this. It doesn't have the same flavor as the cochinita pibil that Adriana's mom made, but it's still pretty good. It has good flavor. Round 2 with tostadas that I found in the pantry. Lime and salt, of course. I feel like it's obligatory, basically. So, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about my first impressions of Guanajuato so far. It seems like a taller, more touristy version of Antigua to me, mainly because the architecture is so similar. It seems definitely more touristy than I was expecting for Guanajuato. But I've only been here for a couple of hours. I went for 2 walks to the supermarket and bought vegetables and fruits from the same lady twice. So she recognized me. She called me joven, which means young, which I find interesting. Not the first time I've been called out on this trip. Yeah. The view from the rooftop, oh my gosh. I thought, after going to Guatemala and having such an awesome time with the people on the trip, the study abroad trip, I thought Mexico was going to be like a lot calmer. And honestly, maybe a little bit of like a letdown in comparison? I don't know. But it has not been at all. It's been just as overwhelming and amazing. So yes, I think I'm gonna get up early tomorrow and try to go walk around before there are people, hopefully, and watch the sunrise on the rooftop. There's my room down there. There's a ladder right here, and I was like, what does it go up to? And then I came up here, and yeah, the rooftop has a view of the entire city, and I'm overwhelmed and I cannot handle it, and it's cold and dark up here right now. Tomorrow the view will be better during the day, I'm sure. No, I know the view will be better during the day, so I'll show you guys that. But for now, you get this till tomorrow.